Imagine effortlessly transforming your social media presence, engaging your audience, and growing your brand, all while saving precious time. With SocialBee, this dream becomes reality, letting you focus on what you do best, running your business. So hey guys, and welcome in this video where I will show you how you to use SocialBee for social media. So first of all, what is SocialBee? SocialBee is a social media management and platform that helps users create, schedule, and manage their social media content efficiently. It offers tools for content categorization, analytics, and audience engagement, enabling businesses and individuals to enhance their online presence and streamline their marketing efforts. So the first things that you have to do right now is open your browser and dive into socialbee.com. This is the homepage as you can see. So you have just to click over sign up for free, then you'll find this page. This is the dashboard as you can see. So this is how it looks. We have here hello, stay on top of your social life by creating and scheduling posts consistently. Getting started with SocialBee. Set up your account in just a few steps. The first steps we have connect social accounts to increase your online presence. Then we have the second step, which is define your content categories to manage and diversify your posting strategy. Then we have here schedule categories to craft the perfect posting plan. Then the last step, which is create and customize posts for each network. So to create a post, you have just to click over here. Once you do that, you will find this page. You have just to write here what you want to share. For example, here you write something, then you add a photo here, and also you click over add variation, customize for each profile. Then you here you switch on post now, post a specific time, then select all, select no one, then you click over save post. Then we have, if you scroll down, connected social accounts. Connect a new account, add more social accounts to increase your online performance. We have here Facebook, Instagram, Threads, Pinterest, LinkedIn, Twitter, X, Google Business Profile, TikTok, YouTube, plus key universal posting. We have here service marketplace, hire SocialBee experts, are you an agency? Then we have here SocialBee University, become a social media manager, how to use SocialBee, and this is it. So SocialBee is a powerful tool for managing your social media presence effectively. To get started, first of all, you have to sign up for an account and connect your social media profiles, then create content categories based on your marketing goals such as promotions, industry news, and engagement posts. You can schedule posts in advance, allowing for consistent sharing without daily effort. Use the content calendar to visualize your posting schedule and adjust as needed. Additionally, take advantage of SocialBee's recycling feature, which helps you repurpose evergreen content, maximizing its reach over time. Finally, monitor engagement analytics to refine your strategy and optimize future posts. With SocialBee, you can streamline your social media efforts and enhance your online visibility effortlessly. So, then we have here content. You have your categories. You have just to create a category, for example, and we have here content is king, and you will fill the same once you start adding it to your categories. Then we have hashtag collection. Also, add, edit, or delete your hashtag collections from here. You'll be able to quickly add them to your posts. Then you have to click over add hashtag, define your hashtag collection, for example collection name, hashtag collection name. We have hashtag list here, then you click over create. Then you have here import CSV. It only takes a few clicks to import a bulk of posts to your account with a CSV import. Please choose the social profiles you want to share on. We have here how should you prepare your spreadsheet. We have here solid simple spreadsheet, and we have here the fix if you have questions. Have import file here, choose the category all blog and videos, for example. You have just to choose add post to the top, and then we have here import links. Turn 1,000 links into 1,000 posts by quickly importing them to your account. Please choose the social profiles you want to share on. For example, here links, categories, then we have here add posts to the top, print text also. Then we have your import media. Save time by importing your media in bulk. It works with images and videos. Please choose the social profiles you want to share on. You have to add photos or video, import media also, and you choose your category here, and also you add, for example, add posts here to help, and a print text. Then we have your RSS, add, edit and remove your RSS feeds below. Keep in mind that they refresh every hour. Click over add RSS, then you write here RSS URL, then we have category here, and also posts, print text, and then you click over create. You have pocket also, we click over add pocket, and you do the same. So that's it for that. Then let's move into the social media couplet. Answer the questions below to generate a strategy for your schedule that is relevant and on trend for your profiles. Find out more on how to use social media coupled here. Just have to answer these questions. For example, who are you creating this for? Click over person. What's your name? Then you add, just answer this question. Then you have schedule setup. This is how your categories are scheduled. Look good. If not, just change it. You have your compact view. You have just to click over at posting time, and you select category here, and you select how much day, for example 4 days, and then you click over create once you select your posting time. Then we have your scheduling statistic also, calendar views. For example, I need Monday at 10 o'clock. I will choose it, then I will select categories, then I will create. Then we have your next posts here. View your next post. Take a look at your upcoming 100 posts. Then we have your analytics. See here how your social profile has been performing. Then we have also SocialBee services, engaged, add new board. Then we have help. Have just to send message and ask about that. So this is how it works with SocialBee. You can just get started right now, and you will planning for social media and how it works with social media. That's it for this video, guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful. See you again in the next video.